In today's modern society, people live together, and they live together and they invest together. And sometimes that relationship breaks down and they feel that they cannot seek a resolution because they're not married. In or about 1996, a piece of legislation was introduced called the Trust of Land and Important Trustees Act 1996, sometimes abbreviated to TLATA. And the purpose of the legislation was to enable people who are in that situation to find a resolution quickly and swiftly. Well, the courts would have to look, of course, at what the parties intended, what the purpose of the property was, i.e., was it to provide a family home, and has that now come to an end, and what should the court do to enable it to reach a sensible outcome for both parties. And part of that would, of course, be to consider outlining what those shares are. Sometimes people invest in different ways, and then there is also the court having the power to sell that property and then dividing the shares in the respective determinations that the court have made. The procedure is relatively straightforward, and it enables the parties to present all their evidence before the court and for the court to make a determination. In respect of the timescales, in order to bring your claim, the date that upon which the right would commence, or the time would start to run, would be from the date that the trust or the object of the trust has come to an end. And that would, of course, mean when the relationship breaks down or somebody has left the property. That's when time starts to run, and that's when people should take early advice from solicitors who are experienced in this type of work.